I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and inputs. Plug the mic into a known good USB port or correct 3.5mm jack and power it on. Then open your operating system sound panel and choose that device as the default input because YouTube captures whatever the OS exposes. Once done, also pick the same mic inside YouTube Studio or your capture software. Make sure to mute or disconnect other mics to avoid routing conflicts, and run a short test recording to confirm signal presence. Next, you focus on drivers and levels because a driver mismatch or wrong sample rate will cause no audio or poor quality. Update or reinstall your audio interface or USB mic drivers and set the sample rate to 44.1 or 48 kHz in both OS and your recording app. Once done, open Input Properties, lower or raise gain until the meter peaks around -6 dB, and turn off software enhancements that alter the signal. Also enable direct monitoring with headphones. Finally, you verify and troubleshoot by recording a short 10 to 20 second clip locally and examining the waveform for level and clipping. This proves whether the mic is captured. If nothing registers, swap cables and ports, or try the mic on another computer to isolate a hardware fault. If the mic works elsewhere, reset driver settings or reinstall the capture app. If still silent, check app microphone permissions in your OS and browser. And as a last step, reboot the system to apply changes before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.